My name's Shane McDonald, and I'm here at the RevOps and CRM course. So I wanted to join the CRM program because I wanted to be a part of the in-person aspect. I already had a background in Salesforce, had already been certified, and just was in the job market, but it just was a lot of rejection, so I got burned out and just took a break for a while until I heard about the program here. So a lot of times we use CRM tools. We use those tools to make the day-to-day easier.
So a CRM is a piece of software where you track your customer relationships and you manage them, customer relationship management. So imagine, like, if you're watching this video and you go apply to Dixie Technical College, you are now a sale for them, right? Like, you're potentially someone that could close and become a customer, a student. And when you apply, you will fill out a Zoho creator form. That creator form will create you as a contact and an application record in Zoho CRM. You're gonna get an automated email, an automated text message, a link to schedule a Calendly appointment. You'll get a really friendly note from some human at Dixie Tech that says, hey, call me anytime, text me anytime. And you might text them or call them or reach out to them, and you'll be like, oh, this person's really friendly. They really care about my customer experience up here at Dixie Tech. And you might convert into becoming a customer. That whole process of like getting humans to swarm you with care and attention to try and solve your pain point, that was facilitated by a graduate of one of our programs who built this system to help Dixie Tech's customers convert better.
This course in particular could take you so many directions. You could work in-house. You could also work at a consultancy. There's so many different ways you can slice it. Most of the jobs are remote. I felt like my values were adjusting. I had been married for a couple years, and me and my wife had just had a daughter, and focusing on spending time with them and prioritizing them, I think this career can help me do that.
It's a hybrid course. You spend somewhere between 4 to 6 hours a week in class, and this is like office hours, basically. You're doing the actual work at home on your own time. So we're kind of trying to get best of both worlds. Like, you don't have to sit here being babysat for 24 hours, but you do get the in-person communication, holding each other's feet to the fire, clapping when someone got a job, like things like that you don't get in an online program. You have a name, you have a goal, so you get actual real-life hands-on experience.
Peter's amazing at connecting. One of the freelance projects I worked on was because somebody reached out to him and said, I just built a website for this guy and needs Salesforce set up for him. So I got that intro and was able to do some freelance stuff and turn it into a portfolio.
You're gonna walk away with portfolio pieces, 3 of them at least, where you show something that you built in real life that a real life business could use. We create them as LinkedIn articles that you can share on your LinkedIn and say, look at me, here's how smart I am at Salesforce or Shopify or whatever. And then you can actually send those to employers.
I would join Dixie Tech's CRM and RevOps program because I feel more surety being somewhere where I can talk to somebody and be like, this is what I'm working on. Or I'll show them an email I wrote and be like, does this look professional? Does it sound like something that somebody would receive, in the real world? Just having that way to verify each other and have that support is really, really big. That's why I would join the program, because it's exciting work, and I think there's a lot of upside and a lot of potential. The students are great, and Peter's great.
I'm here because I want opportunity for students to get that real world experience and feel confidence that they belong in a real career. Enroll in this program, it'll make you more money. Every student that's in this has not regretted being in this program.